Welcome to your channel Ek Vyas. In previous lecture, we are studying about what is chemical reaction, what is chemical equation, what is reactant and what is products. Now we are solving some following skeletal equation, and in this equation we learn how we balance the skeletal equation. Here are total 8 equations. We have to solve all these. Okay. Now we take first equation. KClO3 gives KCl plus O2. First we have to draw a table. We make 3 columns. First column is of element. Second column have reactant side, and third column is product side. Element, we have here 3 elements: potassium, chlorine and oxygen. In reactant side, potassium has 1 atom, chlorine has 1 atom and oxygen have 3 atoms. And in product side, potassium has 1 atom, chlorine have 1 atom and oxygen have 2 atoms. If we see the table, we find in this following equation the oxygen atoms are unbalanced. So we have to balance first oxygen atom. So we have to multiply it by 3. And here by 2. Now the number of atoms of oxygen in reactant side 2 3 are 6, and here also 2 3 are 6. So the number of oxygen atoms are balanced. Now potassium has 2 atoms and chlorine have 2 atoms. So we have to multiply it by 2 also. Now the total number of atoms of potassium and chlorine are 2. In this way, the following equation is balanced. So the equation is like that: 2 KClO3 gives 2 KCl plus 3 O2. Now we take second equation. First we have to draw a table. Make 3 columns. Element, reactant side, product side. Barium, chlorine, hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. So here barium has number of atoms is 1, chlorine have number of atoms 2, hydrogen have number of atoms 2, sulfur has 1 and oxygen have 4. Now if we see product side, barium has number of atoms 1, sulfur has 1, oxygen have 4, hydrogen have 1 and chlorine has 1. So if we see the table, here chlorine and hydrogen are unbalanced. So to balance the complete equation, we have to balance hydrogen and chlorine. So here hydrogen have number of atoms 2 and chlorine also 2. But here hydrogen and chlorine have number of atoms only 1. So we multiply it by 2. Now the number of atoms of all reactant and all product. Barium has equal number of atoms, chlorine have equal number of atoms, hydrogen have equal number of atoms, sulfur and oxygen have also equal number of atoms. So in product side, chlorine have number of atoms 2 and hydrogen have number of atoms 2. So in this way the complete following equation is balanced. In solving last 6 equation. Now we directly solve the equation without making a table. Here, see, sodium has number of atoms 2, so we have to multiply it by 2. Then chlorine have number of atoms 2. Here chlorine have number of atoms 1, so here we have to multiply it by 2. Now chlorine and sodium are balanced. Sulfur, iron, SO4 already balanced. Hydrogen have number of atoms 2, so here also be 2. So the equation will completely balanced. Now we take fourth equation Fe plus H2O, which gives Fe3O4 plus H2. Iron plus water gives iron oxide plus hydrogen gas. Here iron have number of atoms 3, here 1, so we have to multiply it by 3. Hydrogen have number of atoms 2, here are also 2, so balance. Oxygen have number of atoms 1, here 4, so we have to multiply it by 4. And now the total number of hydrogen have number of atoms are 8, but here only 2, so we have to multiply it by 4. Now the equation completely balanced. Then take another equation. NH3 plus CuO gives Cu plus N2 plus H2O. Here nitrogen have number of atoms 2, here only 1, so we have to multiply it by 2. Now hydrogen have number of atoms 2 3 are 6, so we have to multiply it by 3. Now the number of oxygen have 3 atoms, here only 1, we have to multiply it by 3, and we have to multiply Cu by 3. Now the number of atoms nitrogen have 2, hydrogen have 6, oxygen have 3, and hydrogen have 2 3 are 6, and copper has number of atoms 3. So this equation completely balanced. Now take sixth equation, aluminium plus ferrous oxide plus aluminium oxide plus iron. Now multiply aluminium. Here in the product side, aluminium have number of atoms 2, so we have to multiply it by 2, and iron have multiplied by 2, because here our iron have number of atoms 2. Oxygen have already 3 number of atoms, so oxygen already balanced. Now the equation will completely balanced. Take seventh equation. Here phosphorus has 4 atoms, but here only 1, so we have to multiply it by 4. Now the phosphorus already balanced, and chlorine have number of atoms 20, here only 2. We have to multiply it by 10. 10 to the 20, 5 to the 20. So the equation will completely balance. Take the last equation H2 plus Cl2, which gives HCl. Here are number of atoms hydrogen have 2 and chlorine have also 2. So we have to multiply it by 2. Now the equation will completely balance. So in this way we balance the skeletal equation. It is very important topic. The number of marks 6 or 4, because the question already very important, and this equation will come out in your next board examination. So it will very important question. So we have to solve again, and आपको इसकी प्रैक्टिस भी करनी पड़ेगी. बार-बार इसको आप घर पर करिएगा. इन इक्वेशनों को देख के आपको सॉल्व करने की प्रैक्टिस होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि एग्जाम में ये टॉपिक बहुत